Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to change the sky using color range in Photoshop. Open your desired images. I am going to replace the sky of this image with this one. To move the sky layer, press V and unlock this layer. Or you can press Ctrl A to select the layer, Ctrl C to copy, and then Ctrl V to paste. Press Ctrl T to transform. Adjust the layer and align it properly. Once you are happy, press Enter. Change the name of the layer to Sky. Then turn off this layer by clicking on this eye symbol. Select the background layer. Go to Select to Color Range. Click on Image. Make sure the fuzziness is set to 0 and sample color layer is checked. And choose the first eyedropper tool and click on the sky. Then click on Selection. With the second eyedropper tool, draw around to make better selection of the sky. White are the areas that are selected, black are the areas which are not selected. And increase the fuzziness to a point where all the sky is selected. This was before. Increase fuzziness to select the sky. Don't increase it too much, otherwise our subject will also get selected. Press OK. As you can see, our sky is selected. Go to Sky layer and turn on the layer. Press this symbol to create a layer mask. Now that the layer mask is created, press Alt and left click on this layer mask. This will load the mask. Select the brush. Choose black color by pressing X. Change the blending mode to overlay. Paint on the areas which you don't want to be selected. Press X to set it to white and paint white. I want to remove this, so change the blend mode to normal and just paint. Press Alt again on this layer mask, Alt plus left click. As you can see, we have comfortably placed the sky. Now to blend the sky more into this image, we'll add a curves layer and draw a S curve. So this is before plain dull boring sky. Then we add the sky and then a curves layer to blend the image more. This is just a short, simple demonstration. In future videos, we will try to learn this technique with more difficult selections, more difficult examples. Thank you.